Hi everyone, thanks so much for coming back to my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm bringing you another unit. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers and everyone for showing me so much love and support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Also, stay tuned to the end so you guys can get my thoughts on the unit that I'm bringing to you. Okay guys, so here is the unit. This is how the unit looks before I do any customization to it. So this is the lace. It does have the baby hairs already out in the front, and this lace unit is 13 by 4. It's pre-plucked and it is a body wave. Now me personally, I like to go back in myself and do my own plucking. This is an 18-inch and it does come with 4 combs, 2 combs on the side, a comb at the top of the head, and 1 comb at the back. And it does have lace in the back as well as adjustable straps. I don't know about y'all, but I never wear the comb that's at the top of the head. I guess that's for extra security, so it doesn't slip back or anything, but I never wear it. If I want to have a glueless unit, I put an elastic band on it. And this is how the unit looks right out of the bag, guys. And this is how it looks after I went in and bleached my knots and plucked it a little bit. And I did over bleach it, but I can go back in with my black dye, do it. So guys, let's get right into this video. I hope you enjoy it. everyone, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video that I brought to you today. The hair unit is from La Pande. It's their 18-inch body wave. This hair, it did have minimum shedding, not a lot. I think because of the shedding when I started plucking the hairline. But the only two things that I use to lay my lace is the Aquanet. Now this is what I found at Dollar Tree, nothing but $1. It's very strong, it holds your lace in place. And combined it with Miss Erica J Hold Me Down spray. Now these two combined, you see how the lace is. To go back in and pluck it just a little bit of my liking. I did use powder around the lace. This is a 13 by 4 lace wig. As you can see, like I was pointing out, the lace stops right here, doesn't go all the way down to my ear. So as you can see right here, this is like my hairline, and you can see some of the lace a little bit right here. Other than that, I love the hair of this unit. Like I said, I did experience minimum shedding, mostly in the front when I was plucking the hairline. Lace is really nice, melted into my skin. I'm not the best at laying lace, but honey, it do like a half up, half down style. I didn't try to curl it like real nice and tight. I always like loose curls. I don't want a tight curl. This wig was already pre-plucked. I will leave the details down below in my description box, so I got you covered, girl, if you are interested in this unit. I hope you guys like this video. I'll talk to you soon in my next one. Bye.